These are tangram shapes. There are 7 shapes in a complete set. We have 5 shapes that are right angle triangles. We have a square and we have a parallelogram. One way in which we can use the shapes is to help us represent adding fractions with related denominators. Here I have an expression, 3/4 plus 1/2. I'm going to represent it using the large triangle and the small triangles. I know from previous exploration that 4 of the small triangles will fill the large one. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove one of these, and I've represented 3/4. Now I'm going to take another large triangle and I'm going to represent 1/2. Now I'm going to need to use multiple sets of the tangrams in order to have enough small triangles. So here I have filled half of the large triangle. But when I write it symbolically, I need to get this recorded so that I've got the same denominator. So there's my 3/4. Now this is 1/2, but I've also represented it in fourths. And here I have 2/4. So I'm going to rewrite this as 3/4 plus 2/4. Now I'm ready to add. I'm going to count by unit fractions. So there's 3/4, 4/4, 5/4. Now I see that this is an improper fraction. I can choose to write it as a mixed number. An easy way to represent that mixed number is to take one of the small triangles, fill in this one, and here I can see I have 1 and 1/4. So here's one way in which we can use the tangram shapes to help us represent addition of fractions with related denominators.